Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. 2026 Czinger 21C is a revolutionary hypercar designed for ultimate performance, showcasing cutting-edge engineering and innovative manufacturing techniques. It combines breathtaking speed, advanced technology, and sustainable design to redefine automotive excellence. At its core is a bespoke 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with hybrid technology, delivering a staggering 1,250 horsepower. The powertrain is meticulously engineered to achieve exceptional acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 mph in just 1.9 seconds, with a top speed of 253 miles per hour. Its lightweight chassis is 3D printed using a proprietary alloy, optimizing strength and reducing weight. The car features a unique tandem seating configuration, enhancing aerodynamics and providing an immersive driving experience. Every component is designed for precision, from the suspension to the advanced active aerodynamics, ensuring unparalleled handling and stability at high speeds. The Czinger 21C also emphasizes sustainability with its hybrid system and the use of eco-friendly materials. It's not just a hypercar, it's a statement of how technology can push boundaries while respecting environmental considerations. With its striking design, unparalleled performance, and innovative approach, the Czinger 21C represents the future of high-performance automobiles. It's a masterpiece for connoisseurs and a symbol of automotive innovation. The Czinger 21C is not just a hypercar, it's a bold redefinition of automotive engineering, blending artistry with cutting-edge technology to create a vehicle that stands as a beacon of what's possible in the modern era. Every element of the Czinger 21C has been crafted with precision, from its performance metrics to its design language. At the heart of this marvel is the 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, which is centrally mounted and coupled with two electric motors powering the front wheels. This hybrid powertrain delivers a combined output of 1,250 horsepower, with an optional upgrade to 1,350 horsepower for those seeking the absolute pinnacle of performance. This incredible power is transmitted through a 7-speed automated manual gearbox, ensuring seamless shifts and a direct connection between driver and machine. The Czinger 21C's design is a testament to advanced aerodynamics. Its futuristic bodywork features extensive use of carbon fiber, ensuring a low weight while maximizing strength and rigidity. The aerodynamic profile is enhanced by active components, such as an adjustable rear wing and air intakes that dynamically adapt to driving conditions, allowing for optimal performance whether on the track or the road. Inside, the Czinger 21C offers a unique tandem seating arrangement, where the passenger sits directly behind the driver. This layout not only enhances aerodynamics but also creates a cockpit-like experience, immersing the occupants in the thrill of driving. The interior combines high-tech displays with luxurious materials, blending modern functionality with premium comfort. The hypercar's innovations extend beyond speed and design. It's one of the first vehicles to use additive manufacturing extensively, with its chassis and components 3D printed to achieve intricate designs and minimize waste. This approach reflects Czinger's commitment to sustainability, ensuring that the 21C is as eco-conscious as it is fast. The Czinger 21C is also customizable, allowing owners to tailor the car to their exact specifications. From performance-focused track versions to bespoke aesthetic designs, every 21C is a unique expression of its owner's vision. With a production run limited to just 80 units, the Czinger 21C is a rare and exclusive masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.